100 English words that start with B. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Hello.
Welcome to English Podcast.
In this video,
You will learn 100 English words.
all words begin with the letter B.
Listen and repeat.
Speak with us.
Improve your English step by step.
Baby,
Baby,
back,
back,
bad,
bad,
bag,
bag,
ball,
ball,
banana,
banana,
bank,
bank,
bark,
bark,
base,
base,
basic.
basic. You're doing great.
Let's keep going. More B words ahead. Basket,
Basket,
bath,
bath,
battery,
battery,
beach,
beach,
beautiful,
beautiful,
become,
become,
bed,
bed,
be,
be,
beef,
beef,
beer.
beer.
You're learning fast.
Say them out loud with us.
Before,
Before,
begin,
begin,
behavior,
behavior,
behind,
behind,
believe,
believe,
bell,
bell,
below,
below,
belt,
belt,
bench,
bench,
benefit,
benefit. Keep going. You're halfway there.
practice makes perfect. Best,
Best,
better,
better,
between,
between,
bicycle,
bicycle,
big,
big,
bill,
bill,
bird,
bird,
birthday,
birthday,
biscuit.
biscuit.
Nice, let's go on.
Only 40 words left.
Bit,
Bit,
bite,
bite,
black,
black,
blade,
blade,
blanket,
blanket,
blind,
blind,
block,
block,
blood,
blood,
blow.
blow. Let's finish strong.
Just a few more to go. Blue,
Blue,
board,
board,
boat,
boat,
body,
body,
oil,
boil,
bold,
bold,
bomb,
bomb,
bone,
bone,
book.
book.
Almost done.
Let's finish the last set together.
Boot,
Boot,
border,
border,
boring,
boring,
born,
born,
borrow,
borrow,
boss,
boss,
bottle,
bottle,
bottom,
bottom,
box,
box,
boy.
boy.
Final words now.
Let's say them clearly.
Brain,
Brain,
branch,
branch,
brave,
brave,
bread,
bread,
breakfast,
breakfast,
breath,
breath,
brick,
brick,
bridge.
bridge.
That's 100 B words.
Great job, everyone.
Watch the video again.
And keep practicing
Subscribe to English Podcast.
for more lessons like this one.
Speak with confidence every day.